Good evening. Welcome to Biofuel NeXuSS's special bulletin, where we break down the top 16 insights shaping the global biofuel revolution. From government priorities to pioneering projects and the people driving change, let's dive into the forces powering the future of energy. India's Food Minister Pralhad Joshi envisions the nation as a major ethanol exporter, not just a consumer. This marks a strategic shift, leveraging the success of the ethanol-blended petrol program to build a robust export market. The government's confidence is rooted in strong production capacity and a sophisticated supply chain. Realizing this vision means ensuring steady feedstock, investing in technology, and navigating global trade. The message is clear. India aims for global leadership in renewable energy, and the industry is being called to action. The world is watching as India sets its sights on becoming a biofuel powerhouse. The Petroleum Ministry has firmly denied rumors of a 27% ethanol blend target, reaffirming the official goal of 20% by 2025. This clarification is crucial for market stability and investor confidence. Speculation can disrupt planning and mislead stakeholders. The government's message relies on official channels and expects steady, well-managed progress. Responsible governance is key to a sustainable biofuel sector. The Department of Food and Public Distribution promises no feedstock shortages for grain-based distilleries. This assurance de-risks investments and encourages expansion. The government's commitment extends to crop procurement and logistics, ensuring a stable supply chain. This partnership between government and industry is vital for meeting blending targets. Reliable feedstock means consistent ethanol output and policy success. It's a foundational guarantee for long-term growth. Maize is now the government's priority feedstock for ethanol. This strategic choice boosts efficiency, conserves water, and diversifies supply beyond sugarcane. Farmers are incentivized to grow maize, while distilleries can optimize for this crop. The move strengthens the agricultural economy and aligns energy and farm policies. Maize's high yield and resilience make it ideal for India's ambitious blending goals. The focus is clear: build a sustainable, efficient ethanol ecosystem. This decision sets the stage for a new era in biofuel production. Malaysia's SD Guthrie has launched a B30 biodiesel pilot, 30% palm oil, 70% diesel on Carey Island. This project tests higher blends in real-world conditions, gathering vital data for a potential nationwide rollout. It supports palm oil farmers, stabilizes prices, and reduces fossil fuel reliance. The initiative also addresses sustainability concerns and strengthens Malaysia's green energy credentials. The world is watching. Success here could shape biodiesel policy across Southeast Asia. It's a bold step for both the environment and the economy. India's new CAFE 3 norms will push automakers to produce more fuel-efficient and flex-fuel vehicles. This policy links ethanol supply with vehicle demand, making flex-fuel cars a necessity for manufacturers. Consumers will have more choices, and higher ethanol blends will become practical. The move accelerates the transition to cleaner transport and supports the E20+ blending roadmap. It's a catalyst for innovation and market growth. CAFE 3 is set to drive India's ethanol revolution from both ends. Jagatjit Industries has begun commercial production at its 200 KLPD grain-based ethanol plant in Punjab. Strategically located in the grain belt, the plant boosts national supply and supports local farmers. This investment reflects confidence in government policy and the EBP program. Each new plant strengthens energy security and reduces oil imports. It's a real-world example of policy turning into progress. The world's first commercial ethanol-to-jet fuel plant will launch by September 2025. This breakthrough brings sustainable aviation fuel to market, leveraging existing ethanol infrastructure. The technology enables quick scaling and significant emissions cuts in aviation. It's a game-changer for both ethanol producers and airlines. This plant sets a global precedent for net-zero air travel. 10 cooperative sugar mills are converting to multi-feedstock ethanol plants. This shift allows them to process grains like maize and rice, not just molasses. The move extends operational days and boosts profitability. It's a strategic response to evolving government policy and market needs. Flexibility ensures resilience and year-round production. The industry is adapting fast to support national energy goals. India's first bamboo-based biorefinery is opening in Assam, inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. The plant will produce 62 million liters of ethanol annually from bamboo, a non-food abundant resource. This second-generation technology supports regional development and green jobs. It's a model for sustainable local resource use. The project highlights India's commitment to advanced biofuels and inclusive growth. Bamboo could become a key feedstock for future biorefineries. The U.S. trade representative is investigating Brazil's barriers to ethanol imports. This dispute highlights the challenges of fair global biofuel trade. Tariffs and regulations can strain relations between major producers. The outcome could set a precedent for future biofuel trade policies. The world is watching as the U.S. and Brazil navigate this complex issue. Trade policy is as crucial as technology in shaping the biofuel market. India has contracted 661 crore liters of ethanol for blending in ESY 2024-25, with 313 crore liters already blended. The average blend rate stands at 12.35%, a solid achievement but short of the 20% target. Most ethanol now comes from grain, reflecting policy shifts. These numbers show real progress and highlight areas needing attention. Data-driven decisions are steering India's biofuel journey. ISMA urges the government to maintain restrictions on ethanol imports to protect domestic producers. The industry fears cheap imports could undermine investments and farmer incomes. This stance contrasts with global calls for open trade. The government must balance self-reliance with competitive pricing. The decision will shape the future of India's biofuel sector. Namibia has joined the India-led Global Biofuels Alliance, expanding its reach and diversity. The alliance aims to share best practices, develop standards, and promote sustainable biofuels worldwide. Namibia gains access to technology and investment, while the alliance grows stronger. This move underscores biofuels' global importance for energy transition. International cooperation is key to a cleaner energy future. India and the US are advancing a bilateral trade agreement with major implications for biofuels. The deal could open US markets to Indian ethanol and facilitate technology transfer. However, it may also require India to lower import duties, raising concerns for domestic producers. Negotiators must balance opportunity with protection. The agreement could redefine the global biofuel landscape. Baghpat Cooperative Sugar Mill in Uttar Pradesh is undergoing a massive expansion, adding a modern distillery. The project boosts both sugar and ethanol production, supporting thousands of farmers. It injects capital into the rural economy and creates jobs. This transformation reflects a nationwide push to modernize sugar mills into the biofuel sector. Policy and investment are converging to fuel India's energy future. That wraps up our special bulletin on the global biofuel revolution. From policy shifts to technological breakthroughs, the momentum is real and growing. Stay tuned to Biofuel NeXuSS for more insights. Like, share, and subscribe to join the journey toward a sustainable energy future. Thank you for watching. Good night.